Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews. Today we want to talk about how to contact customers which leaves bad reviews. You will find that customer reviews possibility in your account. If not, I will show you in a few seconds. Of course, we will always start with help and FAQs. So to know where you can find it, you just have to go through that. What it is about with the contact customers, you have now the possibility to respond to critical customer reviews from 1 star to 3 stars. What you need is you need to be a brand owner and you have to have a registered brand, and the account will need to have the brand representative role assigned from brand registry, and then you will find that system right here. Step by step, navigate to customer review on the brand's dashboard. Then you can set filters, different filters. I will show you star ratings, brands, and time period. And then you can click on contact the customer, and you have two opportunities. One courtesy refund, other full refund, and offer full refund. And second, customer support. Check with customer for additional details on order. It's not like start a discussion about if he is right or wrong. That's not the main intent here. And step 4, contact reason selection. Of course, you only have 2 opportunities to sending the mail, but note that email templates cannot be customized or modified. I have not seen until now a second mail, especially if we're talking about contact the customer not for a refund. So when he sends an answer, if you are free to type in any text. Of course, in the templates I will show you directly in the next situation. You will see there is no possibility to enter own text. And step 5, customer receives brand message. Of course, that is what will happen if you have sent in the mail out. Then you have the different situations. The FAQs are really simple. The customer reviews drop down is not showing up. What should I do? It's about brand registration and be a brand representative. Why can't I reply to all critical reviews? Here's the problem. A brand owner will be able to contact the customer who placed the order in the last year. They are saying later in the last 12 months, not in the last year, last 12 months. Last year would be cool if you're talking about December. You will be able to see 24 last months. No, the last 12 months. Is there a communication guideline for brands to engage with customers? Yes, you can find it in the Seller Central and read through it. Now, where to find it, we have talked about that, and how to use the filters, we will talk about that now. You see first the brands, here in that example, 3 different brands, then the star rating, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and time period. This week, last week, or older, and you can set up the filter. Of course, there's also additional filter, include market as done. That is really cool. Of course, you can set every review you have seen and understood, or you have worked with it, or said, okay, I've noticed it. You can mark them as done. That is really cool. You see it here, 95 reviews, include market as done. And then I'm changing include market as done and skip it off, and you see only 87 reviews appear now. So you can get rid of all the 4 and 5 star reviews. Of course, you are not allowed to contact them. As you can see it here on the left, 4 star and higher reviews don't require customer contact, or unable to contact the customer. You are able to contact customers only when you are the seller of a product, of course, and the product was placed in the and the order was placed in the last 12 months. Okay, so we are looking for the right side, contact buyer, contact buyer, contact buyer. That is the situation we are focusing on, and when you're clicking on that, you will come to the section contact the buyer. Please remember that asking customers to change their reviews is against Amazon customer review policy. Okay, so why I'm exactly using that contact customer formula for 1, 2, and 3-star reviews when not for changing the reviews? We have 2 contact reasons. That is offer a full courtesy refund and check with your customer to clarify any product issues based on their review. We are starting on the left, of course, when you will receive or send out that message. If you would like a full refund, please reply full refund. And now think from the customer side. Me as a customer or you're receiving that mail. And first I am thinking of is, what? I was going to return that product? I don't remember that I've packed it in a package and bring it to the postal office. You don't understand what is happening right now. And the little note at the end, I really like that. And you are not expected to change your review to this outreach or any potential resolution. So you still have a bad review. That's it. The customer will receive the full refund and you will still have a bad review. On the other side, the review message, if we want to discuss with our customer, the customer will receive, thank you for purchasing from our brand on Amazon or Amazon.com, DE or wherever. On January, you left the following review of a product. Then you will see your own text as a customer. We'd like to address any issue or concerns you have. Your business is important to us. Your business, it's a normal customer. So you can start to interact with him if the customer will answer for that. That's it. And at the end, of course, you're not expected to change your review, so you will still have a bad review at the end. I don't really understand the system that Amazon is offering here. Normally, I will, of course, send full refund. Of course, I'm setting a bad review 1, 2, or 3 stars. Doesn't always mean I'm not using the product or I'm hating the product or else. Sometimes I'm forgotten to check out the right stars and will write, hey, perfect product, everything is fine. And then I will also get the full refund, so that doesn't make any sense to me. And also to discuss about the problems. If there are really hard problems, you need to be able to contact the buyer even without having a bad review on Amazon. So that's it. That was a short overview about how to contact the customer while leaving bad reviews 1, 2, or 3 stars. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. And of course, ring the bell to stay informed when we are releasing new videos, and feel free to use our AMALYZE browser extension.